Hello, my name is Lennox. Today I am going to show you how to create a funny meme in Gimp 2.10. Like this one. First open your browser and search a picture of someone you don't like. Select the picture and copy it. Then open Gimp. Create a new canvas in the left top corner. Then choose a size. I use 1080x1960. Then paste your picture into it. Then open your browser again and search a funny picture from a celebrity. Do also copy and paste it into Gimp. But there is a problem. You can see the background of the pictures. But we can fix it. Open your Path tool, and go along the edge from the person. If you're finished, press Enter. Press the key combination STRG or Command plus I, then press Delete. You can do that with both pictures. Now we need a background. Open your Gradient tool. Choose two colors you want and pull a gradient over the canvas. Move the two persons into a nice position. Select the whole picture and copy it. Create a new canvas at twice the height. Paste the picture 2 times. Move one picture above the other. Use your rectangle tool and make a thin, white rectangle between the pictures. Now open your browser and search for a transparent explosion PNG. Copy and paste it into Gimp. Move it to the picture of the person you don't like. Now we need some laser. Make a red rectangle. And above this a smaller white rectangle. Now click on Filters, Blur, Gaussian Blur. At the white rectangle, do a value of 4.5. The red rectangle becomes 10.5 blur. Unite these rectangles and copy the laser. Move it and rotate it into the right position. Now you can erase the ends of the lasers with a smooth brush. Finish. Extract your picture as a PNG and share it with the whole world. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. See you soon.